go.
That begins qualification match number 6. Badgerbots quick to head into that neutral zone for the Red Alliance, picking up a lot of fuel, tossing all of it towards that hub. Only some of it scoring, unfortunately. Very close scores here coming in from Red Alliance human players as well, tossing as much fuel as they can up in there. Red Alliance paradigm shift going for a lot of fuel. Looks like Red Alliance going to walk into Teleop with the first deactivation shift. Blue Alliance going to start activated first. Does look like, unfortunately, Badgerbots stuck on some fuel in that neutral zone. Ready Player One, though, going to come on in and knock their teammate back onto all 4 wheels. We do have a bumper off of Wave Robotics, unfortunately, that will make them stop for the remainder of the match, just for the safety of other team members and our volunteers around the field. Blue Alliance going to really have to make up for having a downed teammate. Badgerbots and Player One causing lots of fuel up. Very close scores between these 2 Alliance members at this time. That scoring auto-calculated by the counters in the hub. Red Alliance going to take advantage of this activated hub time. Badgerbots going to try and get as much fuel from the neutral zone as they can, tossing it over to their side of the field, some of it bouncing back over those bumps. Blue Alliance now having that activated hub. Badgerbots going to toss some of that fuel up in there if they can. Teutonic Force headed over the bump into the neutral zone, unfortunately getting themselves stuck again on some fuel. The size of this fuel make it real easy for it to get stuck underneath these robots, and we're going to continue to see this the remainder of the season. Blue Alliance just under a minute remaining as we hit the 1 second mark. Red Alliance now having the active hub. Human players going to toss as much fuel in as they can. Freedom Engineers trying to get some of that fuel up into the hub. One at a time it's coming out of their robot. Trying to get over the bump. Paradigm Shift doing the same. Does look like Teutonic Force back on their wheels on the ground. Maybe one piece of fuel stuck underneath them, and it looks like they're slowly traversing their way to the other side. 30 seconds remaining means that all hubs are now active. Does look like, though, unfortunately, Badgerbots, no signal light on that bot. Must have had a disconnected wire somewhere. Player One, broken intake. Luckily for them, they are able to get up. I do believe the count is counted by bumpers, so hopefully for them that does count for the traverse points. Red Alliance is going to have to see if they can get some remaining points to beat the lead that Blue Alliance did establish.